Live long and prosper. Well, this video is not going to be about Star Trek, but first of all, it's about PCBWay. They are turning 6 years old. So this is partly about their 6-year anniversary and the type of promotion that they are running for this event. And the other thing is, I thought I'm going to use this video to ask for some advice for some of you. And my next project, well, one of my next projects is related to this Märklin mobile station controller, and I need a little bit of help with that one. So let me talk about the PCBWay first. So as I said, they are celebrating their 6-year anniversary, so I got some goodies. I really like these PCB badges. That's the Christmas one that I've also featured on the channel. And look, I have the 5-year anniversary as well. I probably don't have a 4-year anniversary because they haven't started we haven't started cooperating back then. By the way, my channel doesn't have a sponsor like who would pay me regularly. I just usually deal with companies who offer their products for free or services for free, and that's how I'm working with PCBWay. So the few PCB projects that I have on this channel, they are all done with PCBWay. So they have been producing my few PCBs about the peaks matrix or the temperature sensor or some of the other various ESP related projects. So I think this is at least what I can do for them, just to let you guys know that, you know, they are celebrating their anniversary and hopefully you can use their services. So beside the PCB badge, I also got some stickers. I got these PCB rulers, and I think I've received them previously as well, but now I just have in different colors. So at least you can see the different, is it the seal screen or the solder mask that you can order? I always forget which one is which. So you can have these different color PCBs, you can just pick the ones that you like. And I've also got a PCBWay shirt, and probably my resolution for the 7th year anniversary is going to be that I fit in this shirt properly, because it's a little bit small. I said XL, but I guess I'm still bigger than like the Far Eastern XL. And if you also want to be part of this anniversary celebration, then they have a website that I'm going to post this video on. So you can click on this video and the top like videos will go into a prize draw. So if more of you like my videos, then I might even receive some additional goodies. And if you post their anniversary on your social website, there you can also get into a prize draw. And that prize draw has many different prizes, but some of them would include a free order, or an order for up to 410 USD as a cash coupon and other goodies. And there are 6 prizes altogether, but you can see all this on the screen now. And let me get to the second part of the video, which is the help. So I'm using this Märklin mobile station controller, and I have a project where I'm going to harvest the CAN bus data which is coming off this controller, so I can do like a custom controller for some of my switches. And my issue is that this uses a 10-pin mini DIN connector. I'm finding this impossible to source. So this type of plug, I've already managed to source the matching socket for it. So this is the PCB mounted socket. But for some reason I can't get the 10-pin socket, the plug. And I've checked on, I think I checked on DigiKey, I checked on Farnell, I checked on like local shops that sell audio equipment and accessories. I also contacted the seller on AliExpress who sells these sockets, and I asked them if they can get the matching plugs, but they were unable to assist me. And maybe I'm, you know, searching for the wrong part number. I think this is called the mini DIN connector, and I am able to find mini DIN connectors all the way up to 9-pin, but not the 10-pin version. I'm not sure why Märklin has chosen to use this one, as it appears to be so rare. And in fact, that they are not even using all the 9 pins, or sorry, not all the 10 pins, but I think they have 9-pin connectors for different devices. So they probably wanted to physically have it separate, so it can't be, you know, plugged into the wrong places. But now I'm ended up with the issue that I'm unable to source these plugs. You know, sockets are fine. So if you have any ideas where I can find it, if you have some links to it, then that would be really, really great. But that's all for today. Go to the video description to find the link to this video on the PCBWay page. And if you have some time, please like that so we can be on the top of the list. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.